What if one natural ingredient could solve your hair loss, dryness, and breakage issues? Welcome to Body Boost, where we explore effective solutions for your well-being. Castor oil, celebrated for its powerful properties, is more than just a remedy. It is a game changer for revitalizing your hair. In this video, we will examine the scientifically supported benefits of castor oil and demonstrate how it can effectively enhance your hair's vitality. Castor oil is a natural oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. This oil has been used for thousands of years, dating back to ancient Egypt, where it was valued for its medicinal and cosmetic benefits. Its primary active component, ricinoleic acid, is what makes castor oil unique and effective. Ricinoleic acid accounts for nearly 90% of castor oil and is known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. These properties contribute to creating a healthy scalp environment, essential for optimal hair growth and strength. When applied to the scalp, castor oil can reduce inflammation, combat bacteria or fungi that may hinder hair growth, and lock in moisture. Additionally, its thick texture helps to coat the hair, forming a protective barrier against damage and breakage. This rich composition of fatty acids also supports blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging better nutrient absorption by hair follicles. Regular use of castor oil has shown to stimulate hair growth, increase thickness, and reduce hair loss. Its benefits are not just anecdotal. Scientific studies confirm its potential to improve hair density and strength. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil's impact on hair growth is rooted in its ability to enhance blood circulation to the scalp. This increased circulation brings more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, encouraging new growth and improving overall hair thickness. With consistent use, many report noticeable increases in hair length and volume. Strengthens hair roots. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, and castor oil plays a crucial role in this. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritated skin and reduce conditions that can damage hair at the root level. By creating a balanced environment for hair to thrive, castor oil ensures that hair grows from stronger, more stable roots. Moisturizes. Dry hair. One of the most remarkable qualities of castor oil is its ability to deeply hydrate hair strands. Unlike lighter oils, castor oil coats the hair in a protective layer, trapping moisture within. This not only reduces breakage and split ends, but also smooths the hair's texture, leaving it softer, shinier, and more resilient to damage. Prevents hair loss. Castor oil's strengthening effect on hair is key to preventing hair loss. By fortifying the individual strands and reducing the risk of breakage, it helps maintain hair density over time. Regular application can help minimize hair thinning, especially for those prone to weak or damaged hair. Now that we understand the benefits of castor oil, let's look at how to properly apply it for maximum results. Step 1. Apply a small amount to your scalp. Start by warming a small amount of castor oil in your hands. Begin massaging it directly onto your scalp, using circular motions to stimulate blood flow and ensure the oil is evenly distributed. Be sure to cover the entire scalp, focusing on areas where hair feels thinner or more fragile. Step 2. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Once applied, allow the castor oil to work its magic by leaving it on for at least 30 minutes. During this time, the oil penetrates deep into the scalp and hair, nourishing from the inside out. Some people prefer to leave it on overnight for a more intensive treatment, but 30 minutes is typically sufficient for noticeable results. Step 3. Rinse with mild shampoo. After the oil has been absorbed, rinse your hair thoroughly using a mild shampoo. Castor oil's thick consistency requires thorough washing to remove all residue, but avoid harsh shampoos that might strip away the moisture the oil has provided. Follow up with a light conditioner for extra softness and shine. While castor oil offers many benefits for hair, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Though generally safe for most users, some individuals may experience scalp irritation or allergic reactions, such as redness, itching, or a rash. To avoid any adverse effects, it's always recommended to perform a patch test by applying a small amount of castor oil to a discrete area of the skin and waiting 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. Additionally, using too much castor oil can lead to unwanted buildup on the scalp and hair, making it harder to rinse out. This can result in greasy hair and clogged hair follicles, which might hinder hair growth over time. To prevent this, it's best to use castor oil in moderation and ensure you are thoroughly washing it out with a gentle shampoo after each application. Remember, consistency and balance are more effective than overuse when it comes to achieving healthy hair. In conclusion, castor oil is a versatile and effective solution for enhancing hair health, from promoting growth to strengthening roots and hydrating dry strands. When used properly and in moderation, it can significantly improve the overall condition of your hair. However, it's crucial to recognize that individual hair and scalp types vary, and what works for one person may not work for another. Before incorporating castor oil into your routine, take the time to assess your specific needs and, if necessary, perform a patch test to ensure compatibility. If you found this information helpful and are curious to learn more about natural remedies and hair care, be sure to subscribe to Body Boost for more science-backed tips and practical solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.